General properties of liquids. So first property, liquid has no fixed shape. It takes the shape of container it is in. So by looking into this figure 4.8, you can see different shapes and size of containers are there in which liquid is filled. So here what do you observe? That liquid takes the shape of container. It does not have its own shape. Then second point is liquid can be compressed only to a small extent. That intermolecular space in the liquid is not very large, so the molecules can be pushed closer only to a limited extent. So let's see an activity. So in this you can see in this bottle liquid is filled and a very little amount of space is there. So now if I am trying to press, so I am able to compress it very little. Next point, a liquid can flow. The intermolecular force being weak, the molecules can slip over one another. So let's see. Now look in here, look. A colored liquid I have taken, and this colored liquid is having the ability to flow. You can see here. You can see the movement. It can flow. Now I am pouring water into it. You can see the flow of water. So here the liquid can flow. Next point is a liquid expand or contracts more than solid. When liquid is heated, the molecules move more vigorously and go farther from each other and the liquid expands. So for this also I will be giving you one more activity that can be explained. Have a look in the figure 4.9. So here what is taken? A plastic bottle is taken, and in this plastic bottle a straw is taken, or you can take a refill also, and you can remove the tip of the refill. Now you have inserted that refill, or you can take the straw also that you will be inserting inside this plastic bottle, or you can say you can take glass bottle also. And then you have to fill the liquid, colored liquid, so that it is visible to you, and then you are applying M-seal here so that there is no contact of air inside. Then next you will do, you will take hot water in the bowl and place the bottle in it. Now you are seeing that the liquid flow in the straw or the refill is still here. So why that is still here, and here the level is down? So the level of the liquid in A figure is higher because the liquid, this liquid in plastic bottle or the glass bottle is kept in hot water. So due to hotness of this water, the liquid which is present inside this, that is also being heated, and due to heat the expansion of liquid has taken place. So due to expansion the liquid has risen up. And in figure number B, now the warm water or the hot water is removed. The bottle is kept without hot water. Now this has been cooled. So on cooling the contraction has taken place. So due to contraction the water level or the colored liquid has moved down. So this proves that liquids also on heating expand and contract on being cooled. Next property is all liquids do not mix with each other. So now here water mixes with milk, we know better. Then honey and alcohol is mixed. Then oil is not mixed in water. This you may have seen also, you may have observed when your mothers are cooking. So the oil is floating on the surface of your dal or sabji, whatever you are eating. So that proves that oil is not mixed with water. So here the exceptions are there, so that's why it is written all liquids do not mix with each other, and the liquids which are miscible or mix with each other, they are called miscible liquids, and the liquids which do not mix with each other, so they are called immiscible liquids.